Understanding an ununderstandable. Understanding the patient's story, grasping the inner logic of the narrative, and representing to oneself the patient's subjective experience is very important. The patient is also helped to have confidence in the doctor because they realize that their symptoms are understood and therefore accepted as real. For this, the doctor must have a detailed knowledge of patient's background culture and specific information about their family and immediate environment. Start with the premise that the behavior means something, that is, it arises with internal consistency from psychological events. Jasper's contrasted understanding, that is Verstehen, with explaining, that is Erklären. He has shown how these terms may be used in both a static and a genetic sense. Static implies understanding or explaining the present situation from information that is available now, while the genetic sense considers how the situation reached its present state by examining antecedents, the evolving processes, and emerging situations. Explanation is concerned with accounting for events from a point of observation outside them and understanding from inside them. A good example being one understands another person's anger and its consequences, while one explains the occurrence of snow in winter. Although one can empathize with the contents of patient's delusions and thereby understand how that content of the belief originated, the occurrence of the delusion itself is usually ununderstandable, that is, why they should believe something that is demonstrably false. This table summarizes the static and genetic sense of understanding and explanation.